After PPP's landmark triumph in the elections, newly elected MPs are denying that any uncertainty shrouds the upcoming decision on the Sindh cabinet.
There is no confusion in us and our coalition partners. It is very clear that Qaim Ali Shah Sahab will be the Chief Minister, Chief Executive of the Sindh, Speaker Nisar Khodo Sahab, but Deputy Speaker will also be from Pakistan People's Party.
National conciliation, government and reconciliation among different parties are the buzzwords nowadays. And under the same pretext, PPP MPs are willing to talk to other parties, including MQM, to form the next Sindh cabinet.
We'll sit down, we'll sort it out, all the problems, whatever we have, and inshallah this government will be running smoothly.
On the other hand, the MQM has vowed to play a constructive role to strengthen the House.
हमने इस असेंबली से आवाम को फ़ायदे देना है, क्योंकि ये वो असेंबली है जिसने पाकिस्तान के लिए सबसे पहले करारदाद मंजूर की है। इसकी इमारत से ना किसी की तवानाई रोकी जाएगी, ना इसकी इमारत से किसी की रोशनी में कमी की जाएगी।
Meanwhile, the ANP, which has made inroads in the Sindh Assembly for first time with 2 seats, says,
इंशाल्लाह ताला पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी के साथ जो है जैसे हमारे मुआहदा बात हुई है हम उसी के मुताबिक साथ ही चलेंगे। MQM में हिमायत का ऐलान करे उससे हमारा वो तो उनसे पूछा जाए। हमारा अपने जो मौके पे और हमारे जो 12 मई के शुहदा के बारे में जो हमारे सोच है तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात है वो अपनी जगह पे है।
Every government makes tall claims like these newly sworn-in members of Sindh Assembly had. Only time is the best judge of promises being kept and their effects trickling down to the masses. Sabina Agha with cameraman Suhail Fareed, Geo News, Karachi.